everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, it's rest in peace after rest in peace. The most common thing that COVID-19 have brought in our life is unbearable pain of losing our loved ones in numbers. It is with great sadness to report that South African Presidency Minister, former ANC activist Jackson Mthembu have passed away due to COVID-19 related complications. In the last remark on his Twitter feed on the 11th of January 2021, Mthembu wrote that he had visited a military hospital in Tshwane to get medical attention for an abdominal pain, and that is where he tested positive for COVID-19. He passed away on Thursday after being admitted in hospital at the age of 62. Minister Mthembu was an exemplary leader, an activist, and a lifelong champion of freedom and democracy. When South Africa became democratic in 1994, he served in parliament. He became a national spokesman the following year. He died as a Minister of Presidency in 2021. Guys, this is sad. I remember last year the minister was very busy with COVID-19 regulations update together with the Dr. Nkosazana Zuma, not knowing that he is on his way. Our deepest condolences go to his family, friend, colleagues, and South African citizens as the whole. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. May his soul rest in peace. Bye.